Hi, my name is Brandon Wright, and I am the director for the UAB Career Center in the Division of Student Affairs. And I am here today to encourage you to message students in Handshake. There are over 6 million active students or recent graduates who are active in Handshake, and many of them have interned or either work at an organization that you might be interested in working for. And so the first thing you need to do is make your profile visible. And after you've made your profile visible, you can start searching students in the student tab, where you can filter students by major, by occupation, by interest, or you can search for students in the employer tab and look at students who may have worked for organizations that you are interested in or interned at organizations. You can also message students in the student review tab or the Q&A tab. And so there's a couple of ways to get the conversation started. You can ask students about their majors, you can ask them about their intern experience, you can ask them about their professional experience. And so we highly encourage students to take advantage of this resource in Handshake, especially now that networking is so pivotal to your success. And so if there's anything we can do in the UAB Career Center to help you accomplish your goals, please let us know. Go Blazers.